Hi, class. For today's social studies lesson, we're going to talk about chronology. Say chronology. You can clap it. Chronology. That's a big word, and it just means when you put things in order um, based on time. And time could be time on a clock, but time is also months of the year and days of the month. So let's go down and talk about some words. So we see the word today. Let's talk about today. What is today? Well, today we are in the current month of April. That is our month, and that's the present month. And today is Thursday, and the actual date is the 23rd. So that is today. That is the present. It's where we are right now. If we look at our next word, we see yesterday. Yesterday has already happened. That means it's in the past. It's behind us. So if this is today, then this day right here, the day before today, would be yesterday. Just like on a hundreds chart, it comes before 23. So this is yesterday. If we go down and look at another word, we see the word tomorrow. Tomorrow hasn't happened yet. It's in the future. So if this is today, what would be tomorrow's date? If you said the 24th, you are correct. Tomorrow, if we talk about the word tomorrow, it's always the day after the day it is, the present day. So this is the present. Here's tomorrow. Here's today. Here was yesterday. All right, let's go down and look at this right here, this week. When we think about a week, we think about all the days in the week. So a week has 7 days. We can count those. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if this is today, all these days are part of this week. So these days have already happened in this week. We have 2 more days to go in this week. If we look at our next phrase, we've got last week. Last week already happened. So it's the week before this week. So if this is our present week, then this week right here is last week. This is already past. Okay, that's in the past. It's the week that happened before our present week. So if these days are in this week and these days are in last week, then these days must be next week, and next week hasn't happened yet. You can see it ends right here because April only has 30 days. So I'm going to go ahead and add, this will be May, it'll be a new month. There's the 1st of May, and then there would be the 2nd of May. So these days will be next week, considered next week. They're in the future, not the far future, but because they have not happened, it's still considered the future. So then we go to the word year. And here's a calendar for the year 2020. That's our year this year. And it's hard to see, but we know these months because we sing this in class. So you can go ahead and sing along with me. We've got January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October,